Hey guys, ever since Bosch ruined their Filtec filters, they moved all of their filter production over to Mexico and they completely changed the filters. They made them smaller, they're junk quality, poor paint jobs, thin metal, glue all on the inside of it. Just a total mess on the Bosch premium Filtec oil filters. So anyway, since Bosch did that horrible thing to their filter line, I'm on the hunt for another quality filter. And so I'm trying these out. This is a Champ XL. It's designed for synthetic oil. So it's called a synthetic oil filter. I don't really know if that means much of anything, but I am so far really impressed with the quality of the filter. That's a 99% efficiency filter, optimized for extended mileage with synthetic oil changes. So I'm not planning on using this for more than 5,000 miles. So I think what they're trying to imply here is that you probably could use this for 10,000 miles, even though it doesn't say it specifically. But I'm only going to use it for about 5,000 miles, 5,000 or less. So the great thing about this oil filter is that it's a product of the USA. So made in the United States, really nice thick case on here. The canister is really nice and thick. Has a great paint job on it. Has a silicone anti-drain back valve. So you can see that there. Let me turn on the light here for you guys. There you go. So you can see the silicone anti-drain back valve. Look how clean it looks inside there. I love seeing that. So nice and clean. Somebody cares about making their oil filters, and there's not a bunch of glue gopped in there. Looks like all the openings within the canister inside are all open. I don't see anything that's pinch close. This has a synthetic media inside of it, and the canister inside of it is metal, so it's not a paper or plastic canister in there. Really nice quality oil filter. I'll leave a link down below to where you can get these. I got it on Amazon. A little bit more expensive, but totally worth it for the build quality. All right, guys. Well, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.